Everybody, good morning everybody. Let me turn this music down. Today is the 22nd of September. 2.5 weeks in to my metabolic challenge. Yes, 22nd of September. Today things are going well. I have finally cut out my sugar completely as of this week. So currently I have a detox sugar headache, which is not my friend, but that's what happens. Gotta get over it, gotta get past it, gotta push through it, just doing it. So tomorrow I know I'll feel better, but today we've got what am I doing today? Pull day, so back, working my muscles on my back, and otherwise it's going to be kind of a day in the life vlog of Katie. I've got some uploads to do, so I'll show you a little bit how I do that. And then tonight Lisa and I have got a LJHooker auction where we have, from appraisals and stuff that we've been doing, we've been getting like fake money. It's got pictures of our managers on it. Anyway, so they've organised a whole bunch of auction stuff, and we're going to go and bid with our fake money and hopefully get some cool stuff, because we've done some work and done appraisals and stuff. So they've got vouchers and for helicopter rides to Waiheke, and dinner vouchers, and GoPro and shopping vouchers for Westfield. Gotta get one of those, maybe two, depends who we're up against and who's got more money than us. But anyway, I'm excited because I love free stuff, but it means I'm missing boot camp tonight. Sorry Lisa, sorry me actually, I'm letting myself down, but you have to just do other stuff sometimes. Anyway, I'll get over it. I'll make up for it on Saturday and next week, but my eating is still good, so that's the main thing. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. I'm going to pop in and see Lisa in a minute. So I'm looking forward to getting some more games. So I shall see you in there. I don't know if I'll get any footage or if you're just going to be following me around today. So I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you in a minute. Bye. we just finished pool day with Lisa. I'm going to make myself a shake. Same one as I had the other day with blueberries and oats and spinach. And then I am going to do some uploading of my next YouTube clip. This here is my lunch that I'm having today. I have got scrambled eggs with a little bit of mozzarella cheese and ham because I didn't defrost any chicken. And then I have my quinoa salad and some normal salad. Yum, I'm actually looking forward to this. But it looks like a lot of food. Again, it is. But it's all going to... Oh my goodness! Somebody just crashed into me. I am pulled over. I have taken his details. But check out my car. Crashed. It was really hard. I'm gonna hit my head. And Lisa hit her head and everything. But I knew it was his fault. He pulled over when we pulled over because we couldn't pull over on the overpass of Te Ratu, but he was nice and knew it was his fault, so there was no issue, and he's got insurance, so... Woo! Oh my gosh! Shaking, eh?
Exciting day.
We're on our way to spend our money, and we gotta get there, so we gotta go! And I know we've just been a car crash, but we got money to spend, so we're still going into the auction. I had my lucky shoes on and everything, but does a car crash mean it's not lucky now? What does that mean?
I don't know, but we're going.
Anyway, we'll see you in there.
Anything, or are we wasting our time?
This is Amy. Yeah, that's official. Gorgeous. Yeah, New Zealand.
Oh, you just lost Katie.
Hey?
Come back. You must be looking for an
Is the market going to crash anytime soon, Grant?
I don't believe so, no.
Why?
Because the supply is not keeping up with demand, and for as long as demand stays as strong as it is, no matter what I would say artificial points the Reserve Bank and government try and put on it, people still have a desire to own homes. So for as long as the desire is strong, people will find a way to make it work.
Okay, does that answer your question? It does. Vish already gave me an answer, but your answer is probably a little bit more professional. Thanks, Grant!
You're welcome. Great to see you, Kate.
What we are able to achieve together as a team, and I can tell you that we've got some big things for the future ahead of us to make the All-Star team and family even more successful than where we are at this time. But this is just a little bit of us giving back to you and a thank you to you guys for the hard work and everything you've done. A little bit of fun, you know, it's all about the money. Tonight's going to be about some bidding on some prizes, and there's going to be a lot of competition because you're real estate agents.
Exactly. Hey, awesome. Thanks very much for everybody coming along here. I think this, I really wanted to do it here, and we can all fit in just, so, but I just think the atmosphere and everything. So. Now the auctioneers, Craig's going to start, both Grant and...
That's not a Melbourne shit.
Only they will
So,
3,200 with the first call, second call, sold.
It's halfway through and we're not feeling very confident with our $1,400 because most things are going for $1,700 and over. Come on in. So we can't even scam any money off anyone. Nobody's sharing with us. So we'll see if we win something or not.
I'm very red-faced.
Yeah, a little bit now, man. Way before I
am super hot and trying to do a super job.
So you're doing a fantastic job at trying to keep everybody sane.
Yeah,
It's cray up in there.
it's cray.
I think you fellas are so hot. Two very rosy manager people. We got the GoPros. It was successful. I feel like we actually come away with something, but you know, it'll come in handy for all the filming and stuff and adventures and snowboarding. Anyway, it's going to be dark out here. I'm going to turn it off.